Fatty. Whoa, got to do a drift turn here. Hey, that was sick. Anyways. Oh god, I'm spinning out. That was so close. Luckily, if I crash, I'm gonna E4 the gear BL. So that means I'm a millionaire and I can afford many cars. Okay. Got to go slow. Wait. Whoa, my car is stuck on the track. Totally not planned. Look at that nice GTR. Whoa! Whoa, whoa. Why do I? Oh no, the train is coming. The train is coming. Ah! Oh! No! The back of my Corvette. No! I can't afford bills. I can't afford. I can afford the bill for my C7 repair cost. Oh no! 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 It won't happen again. No! No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! I see 7! No! I see 7! Oh my god! It's half! It's gone! No! I see 7! Those train drivers think they can do whatever they want. I'll teach them. I love you, C7. Are you serious? No, this can't be. No, this can't be. It's falling apart. No. The headlight. I'll show these train drivers what it is. This is Train Crash Studio. A game where you crash cars with let's not talk about with train. And you can spawn in many cars. Anyways, back to the video. I was so rich that I repaired my Corvette and I bought a new car, a Nissan GTR. Doesn't this look good? It's also the Paul Walker skin. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Yeah. Oh, there's the city. Oh shit! Uh-oh. It's happening again. Oh no. No. I hear the chain. No, here it comes. No. Oh, I passed the GTR. No. Are you serious? Yes. Are you seriously kidding me? My beauty has been destroyed. I hate these damn trains. I was rich enough to buy these exotic cars. So I got a Japanese police Nissan GTR from Japan. Oh shit. Yeah, that siren is pretty annoying. Yeah, I'm just gonna switch it off. That's why Japan is the most annoying place. Oh, we got Yeah, I hate this already. I hate this car already by the siren. It's just annoying. But in real life, the siren is not annoying. But in this game, the siren is so annoying. Yeah. Place it there. Get out of the car, bro. Click me. Are you serious? It's the right train. Are you serious? Here comes the correct train that will hit this. Don't you guys even dare to steal this missile. Here it comes. Yeah, I hate this car because the siren sounds like a freaking fire truck. There you go, it's destroyed. Good idea, boys. Please, let's see if this withstands the train. Oh god, this thing is so slow. There's some guy walking on the edges of my building. There's some guy walking on my building. But what is going on in Dubai? I was right to go. I was right to stay in India. This place is hella weird. Stay in India. Nice looking Lambo. Oh my god. Today's streets are filled with Lambos. God. Oh! Yes, the bulldozer is still on the tracks. Let's see how you handle this train. What? Are you? A bulldozer could stop the train, but then what could stop the train? You know what I had to get, boys? The car that I've been waiting for. The Lamborghini Gallardo. You know how... Oh! Stupid bus driver. Oh! That's the Paul Walker GTR. Oh my god, he just crashed it. Hey, be careful with that, sir. Oh no, my Lamborghini friend is stuck on the track. No, we're stuck on the track. No. No. Oh god. No. We're both gonna die. No. Oh my god. Oh. I'm still alive. Still alive. You know what I have to do? I have to repair my baby. Oh my god, today's streets are filled with so many Lambos. God, this game is so chaotic. There's so many Lambos. Oh my god, this guy crashed on the train again. Oh no. I'm stuck again. Oh no. No. Oh my god, I'm so worried. What? No. Oh god. My Lamborghini. No. Ah! Hope you guys like the video and like. Oh my god. What the hell? Bro, I got flamed. And I got flamed in slow motion, bro. And subscribe.